You're about to watch the Paulie Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Hello folks, welcome to the Pizza of the Week video, and I'm Paulie Detmer's. What am I doing in this Pizza of the Week video? I'm getting very brave, that's what I'm doing. I'm living on the edge of the pizza oven cliff when I made this pizza. I did see a version of this when I was in the Philippines. Did not try it by any means because the regular pizza, most of it wasn't good. So I wasn't about to try it. Anyhow, what is it? It's a tuna fish pizza. Yes. And what did I put on there? I put some white sauce, which is a Parmesan garlic. And then I put some provolone cheese on it. And I sauteed some onions and mushroom. Put that on there, and then I finished the topping with canned tuna fish. Yes, I drained it really well. So let's get into this one, and you might be surprised by my reaction of how well it, or how not so well it was. Here we go. Little lady, you want some?
Yeah.
I'm about to eat it right now on camera. I'm in here recording. I don't know how it's going to be. We'll see.
You're watching the Paulie Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Wow. Hey, get in here, try some. I like it.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Little lady's gonna get her
Get my plate.
quarter piece of the pizza.
It is good.
Try not to say too much, okay? I'm gonna try some more. Yeah, the onion and the mushroom comes in really nice with that tuna fish on a pizza. Is this real pizza? No, not really, but I'm liking it.
Oh. It's good. Wow.
You heard her, right? Yeah, very good.
Very, very good.
Tuna fish pizza. Is it a healthy option? Probably not, but it's very good. If you like tuna fish, you will love it. Is that right, little lady?
Yeah.
The lady says yes. Some of you would probably love some hot sauce with this. I don't need it. I like it the way it is. Whew. Man, I was worried about this not being good. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I'm gonna finish eating this.
Very good. Tasty.
I'm Paulie and I'm out.